everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today is just a little short video to show you all the crafty items I have made here recently. You guys did a couple little craft projects with me, and I had told you about some things, and some of you had said you'd like to see the finished product, so I'm just going to show you what I've done. I didn't do as much this year as I have done in the past, but for one niece, she's a Harry Potter fan. She's a Star Wars fan. She's 15. So I purchased a pillow at Goodwill, a Harry Potter pillow that needed quite a bit of love. And what I did, I just took it apart. And I just saved one panel from it. The rest I just trashed. Washed it. Here it is. This was on the original pillow. And then on this one, I backed it with this fabric I purchased from Joann's. It's Harry Potter fabric. I got it actually on the weekend after Thanksgiving. I think it was on Sunday. It was, it might have been Monday. No, I think it was on Sunday. Yes, it was on Sunday. Cyber Sunday is what Joann's was calling it. You had to purchase online and then go in-store pickup. So I got a yard of this for like $6, which was a really good deal. I still have fabric left from what I got enough left to do something else. But yeah, this is the first. That's the first pillow. That was easy. And then the second one, I purchased the cross stitch pattern from Etsy, and I will see if I can find it and link it down below for you. But I cross stitched this. It's the baby Yoda dressed as Harry Potter, and then I used the same fabric on the back and made this cute little pillow so she can throw those on her bed. Next, my niece Elizabeth, I made her a Tilda doll. I think it turned out pretty good. I had never made a Tilda doll before, so I like the hair, and it is so soft. It's, I forgot what kind of wool, Angora or something like that. It is so soft. I would love to have a sweater made of that. And then here's her dress, and then her legs. I am officially done with her, but I may make her some shoes. I don't know yet what I'm going to do. But she's officially done. There we go. Got a little skirt. And yeah, I like how she turned out. So that's all I made Elizabeth. Now I purchased some items too. That's just the made things. Next, I'm going to show you a couple of things I've made for my shop. I have not listed these yet. I'm going to list them this afternoon. I make light switch plates. And I sell out of those as fast as I make them. It's crazy. I just had my last order. A lady bought my last two. She got them yesterday and messaged me right away and said, please, can you make more and let me know when you make them. So I can't keep them in my shop. They go quickly. So I had come up with an idea because one lady purchased she purchased a ton of them for every room in her house. And she says, do you make anything else? And I said, well, I'll just have to brainstorm and see what I come up with. Well, then I thought about this. Electrical socket plates. So here's the first one. Let me turn the light here. I'm having lighting issues. I'm trying to get better lighting, but there we go. There's the first one. And then here's the second one. I sell these for $30. These will be listed in my Etsy shop. They're probably already listed by the time you see this video. And I got a couple more things I want to show you. Okay, this is what I made my mother-in-law for Christmas. If you can see it, this wreath. It is made, some of these items are from the Dollar Tree. What I made the bow out of is from the Dollar Tree, and then the flowers are from the Dollar Tree. So I took a wreath I purchased at Goodwill, cleaned it up, took off the bad stuff, and put on some extra pieces. So that's what I made my mother-in-law. And then last, I think what some of you are really interested in, the Elvis wreath. This is the Elvis wreath. I hope you can see. There is a ornament. Like I said, my lighting is horrible. There's an ornament with Elvis on it, and it says "Forever Our Star." The mesh, and this kind of mesh, came from the Dollar Tree. The frame came from the Dollar Tree. I used pipe cleaners, the chenille stems. Those came from the Dollar Tree. The little ornaments that are blue and silver, they came from the Dollar Tree. This came from the Dollar Tree. These came from Hobby Lobby. And the ornament I ordered, it was a 3-pack, and I ordered it from Amazon. There we go. And I think that turned out really nice. My brother-in-law is a huge Elvis fan, and so is his daughter. The whole family, their dog is named Elvis. So I made an Elvis wreath for them. So that is it. That's all I have crafted. I'm not crafting anymore except for items to go in my shop. I wish I had more things I could put in my shop. Time has been an issue, but I'm done with Christmas stuff, making things for Christmas, but I'm having a hard time resourcing my vintage rhinestones, so I'm working on that. But anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.